Imagine a multi-billion-dollar industry that doesn't have to follow the same anti-corruption laws as everyone else. That's the case with the big three PBMs, thanks to a legal loophole buried in a 2003 federal law. When Medicare Part D passed, it carved out a quiet exemption from federal anti-kickback laws that are designed to prevent backroom deals and bribery in healthcare. That exemption allowed PBMs to legally accept massive rebates from drug manufacturers, often in exchange for placing expensive drugs on their formularies. These rebates are rarely disclosed. Employers can't see them, patients don't benefit from them, and yet those same kickbacks drive up the list price of medications. Most of us assume the law protects us from this kind of self-dealing, and it does, in retirement plans and finance. But in healthcare, not so much. Under ERISA, financial advisors can't profit at your expense. They're required by law to act in your best interest, but PBMs and health insurers not required to act as fiduciaries, so they can legally profit from choices that hurt your employees and your bottom line. They hide the true cost of medications, claim the data is proprietary, and leave employers in the dark. Even worse, if an employer asks for transparency, the PBM can just relabel the kickbacks as admin fees, data fees, or marketing fees, none of which they're required to share. So, what would real reform look like? It starts with 3 critical steps. 1. End the anti-kickback exemption. Require PBMs to disclose all compensation and payments received. Let the market work by giving all PBMs access to fair pricing. 2. Apply fiduciary standards to PBMs. Just like 401k advisors, PBMs should act in the employer and patient's best interest. Ban self-dealing and require transparency in contracts. 3. Ban anti-competitive practices. No more patient steering or forced mail order. Enforce existing laws like the Sherman Act and Robinson-Patman to protect fair trade. These reforms aren't radical, they're common sense. And bipartisan momentum is building. Legislators are listening, investigators are digging. But change won't come until employers, voters, and patients raise their voices.